Well, hi, my name is Frank Lexa. I'm a neuroradiologist, and I've done most of my career in academic neuroradiology. And I've had a dual career where I've also been a business school professor, including working at the Wharton School and then working with some other business schools on several other continents. I'm currently the Chief Medical Officer for the Radiology Leadership Institute at the American College of Radiology, and that's where my interest in leadership really comes, for this talk. Well, on September 11th, I'm going to be teaming up with Modality to bring you a noon conference on getting started in leadership and subtitled How to Lead When You Aren't in Charge. And the core things we're going to be covering in that are understanding how almost anyone in radiology can learn to be a leader if she or he wants to. How do you get started in leadership if you haven't had training or experience, say getting an MBA or working in the military or some other kind of leadership training? You can still get started, and we'll talk about how you get started and, more importantly, how you succeed in your first leadership experiences. Why should you attend this? Well, we think that radiology needs you. We want to have more leaders and better leaders, and we want to get the right leaders. It's also going to be a challenging time in U.S. radiology, and so leadership will matter, and you'll help us all have a good experience and a great profession for the next several decades. And finally, if you do this, you will be happier. And if you feel that you are making a difference, both personally and for the larger house of radiology. So I hope you will be joining us on September 11th, and I'm looking forward to doing this with Modality.